Do you have an unnecessary addiction to keeping all your images you generate, taking all those precious bytes? Well, then I have a simple solution for you. This single command will go through all the photos and subphotos of the directory that you run it in and turn all your PNGs to JPEGs. It will also delete the original PNG, of course. You may have the question, how much space will you actually save? And I will respond with an example. This here photo has 232 images, all PNG taking up roughly 67 megabytes. Now, here's the example of the converted version of this photo. The total amount is only 10.6 megabytes. That's a savings of over 80%. How do you do it? Open up your file browser, go to the directory with the photos of images. Make a copy, by the way. I am not responsible for any data loss. Go in the photo and now right click and open a terminal here. Or you could just cd to this directory in the command line. Now run the command on screen. The command will also be in the description for an easy copy paste job or on my website, edgeless.pages.dev. I'll pay for a domain eventually. This might take a little bit. After it stops, you've done it. Congratulations on your space savings.